Of all the lease forms available, CAR, AOA, which one, in your opinion, is the best to use if I have a new tenant?
Every landlord, especially individual owners, I would first of all recommend that you become a member of an apartment association. There are two associations that I personally work with, and it doesn't mean that others are not good, but that's what I'm comfortable with. The first one is AAGLA, the Apartment Association of Greater Los Angeles, and the second one is CAA, California Apartment Association. Once you become a member of these organizations, you have tremendous value. Number one, it gives you another channel of being updated regarding the laws, regarding changes in your obligations and duties. And number two, you have unlimited, unrestricted access to their forms. So if you have tomorrow a new tenant that's coming in and you're a member of AAGLA, you go in. I'm also a member of AAGLA, and I go in, I log in, and I put in the address, and they ask me, what do you want? I want a residential lease agreement for a new tenancy. Okay, next prompt. Is it a 12-month lease? Yes, next prompt. And then you check, you finish, and it populates a lease agreement that they spend a lot of money making sure it's up to code, up to the law, up to the most recent changes. So that's how I would recommend obtaining not only lease agreements, change of terms of tenancy, other notices, other disclosures that need to be part of the common areas posting. All that is the most cost-efficient way to obtain is becoming a member of an apartment association. There's also AOA, which I work with a little less, but that doesn't mean they're not as good.
If you want to get rid of a virtual evicts, there's going to be extensive court costs. Wouldn't it be cheaper if you just evict them, let's say, because I want them made?
So it sounds like you're making up a story, right? It's not, I'm just trying to make a point. When you want to do an owner move-in, there's a lot of restrictions to it. There's a significant process in place. And if you qualify for that process, you can do it. But just because you do an owner move-in doesn't mean that you're going to avoid needing to hire an eviction firm, because the tenant can receive your notice and not vacate. And if they don't vacate, you still need to file an eviction, and that you still will need to go through the whole thing. And it doesn't matter if your tenant murdered someone at the premises, or if they failed to pay rent, or you're doing an owner move-in, the process is the same. It's an extortion platform against landlords. Doesn't matter what's the nature of the case.
If you have an apartment building and you failed to register with the county registry, what rights do you lose?
It's a defense against any eviction. And technically, you're not supposed to collect, demand, retain rent when a unit is not registered. Whether it can be an illegal unit that's not registered because you can't register an illegal unit, or if it's a permitted unit but it wasn't registered, you technically are not allowed to get money for it.